For today's recipe, ang isi-share ko naman is yung focaccia. Isa to sa pinakamadali at pinakasimpleng ingredients na meron. Let's get started. For day 1, gagawa muna tayo ng polish. So magko-combine muna tayo ng bread flour, water, at saka yeast. Then using dough whisk, ihahaluin lang natin siya until no-press na sa flour at mag-smooth. Then cover natin ng plastic wrap and ferment for about 12 to 16 hours. Para sa day 2, tsaka tayo gagawa ng dough. Bali, ito itsura ng polish natin na na-ferment for about 16 hours. Para sa main dough, pagsamay lang natin yung polish na ginawa natin, cold water, at bread flour. Lalagyan din natin ng salt and yeast. Then, i-mix lang natin from low to medium speed until ma-fully develop natin yung dough using paddle attachment. Ang desired dough temperature natin dito is 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. Isa din sa mga main ingredients sa paggawa ng focaccia is yung olive oil. Kapag fully developed na yung dough, tsaka natin ilalagay yung olive oil, i-mix lang natin from low to medium speed until well incorporate yung oil. Ilagay lang natin sa isang well-greased rectangular pan at lalagyan natin ng konting olive oil. Then gently flatten lang yung dough sa rectangular pan. Tapos cover and proof for about 1 to 2 hours until double in size. Tapos maglalagay lang tayo ng olive oil on top and press using fingertips until ma-reach natin yung bottom part. Then bake for 240 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown.